In this video, we're going to look at how to create a GIF in Canva Pro in just a few steps. First things first, we'll head over to Create a Design. From here, we'll navigate to Custom Size, and then input the width and height as 1080. This will help us find the animated social media tool. The ratio displayed is 1080 by 1080, which is perfect for the images I'll be using in this example. Next, we want to upload our images. In this instance, we have 5 images we want to add. We can do this by individually adding them to our design pages. Seeing as this image doesn't fill the page, we'll want to resize it. We can do this by taking the corners of the image and stretching it out accordingly. However, here's a quick tip. By holding down the Alt key, we can resize the image while it remains centered on the page. We'll quickly repeat this process for each respective image until we have the GIF arranged exactly how we want it. If we press play now, we'll be sat here watching a 25-second long GIF, as the default length for each image is 5 seconds. Let's amend this issue. If we select one of the pages from the design timeline, we can apply a new time frame by using this toolbar. Let's make the page 1 second long instead. We can also then apply the same time frame to all pages by ticking this checkbox. If we now press play, we get our animated GIF. From here we can download the GIF by selecting Share, and then Download. We must then ensure that we have the file type set to GIF, and then proceed by selecting Download. We now have the option to upload our GIF to various social media platforms as we see fit. And that's how you create a GIF in Canva Pro.